Did you know the world's most popular programming language was created just to be simple and fun? Let's get back in time and discover the history of Python. Python was created in 1989 by a programmer named Guido van Rossum in Netherlands. At that time, Guido wanted a language that was easy to read, simple to write, and powerful enough for real-world applications. He was working at a research center called CWI, and Python was inspired by another programming language named as ABC programming language. No, Python is not named after a snake. It was named after a popular British comedy show called Monty Python's Flying Circle. That's why Python's documentation is fun, simple, and full of humor. Python was officially released in 1991 as Python 1.0. It supported functions, modules, automatically memory management, features that were advanced for that time. Python is used in almost everyday modern technology such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, web development, data science, and even space research as well. Top companies like Google, Netflix, Spotify, as well as Instagram use Python as the programming language itself. Python is popular. Python is popular because it's simple, powerful, beginner friendly, and supported by a huge global community. And that's the amazing journey of Python. If you want to learn Python from scratch, please subscribe Intelle Learn and start your coding journey today. Like, share, and comment Python if you are ready to learn Python. Thank you.